A vitrectomy is a procedure which forms part of keyhole surgery or minimally invasive surgery, in which we use 3 very small incisions into the eye, 1 millimetre, and these are placed behind the cornea or the clear part of the front of the eye, and they allow us to get into the back part of the eye to remove the vitreous gel and to do procedures on the retina. So, for example, if there is scar tissue on the surface of the retina, we would remove the vitreous gel, and using instruments, for example, small forceps, small scissors, we can remove the scar tissue, literally peeling it off and away from the surface of the retina, and this, for example, can be used to treat macular holes, or a condition called epiretinal membrane, in which there is no hole but scar tissue on the surface of the retina, distorting it and distorting vision. It's also a technique used for treating retinal detachments. Again, one removes the vitreous gel, removes fluid from underneath the retina, and we put in a bubble of gas which pushes the retina back into position, and then we spot weld it with a laser or with a freezing probe. So it's our version of minimally invasive surgery. Post-operatively, there is little discomfort, and it's an extremely effective and very important way of treating diseases of the retina. To carry out a vitrectomy, it takes approximately an hour, depending on the reason for the vitrectomy, and can be done under local anaesthetic, but usually done with local anaesthetic, some sedation, or a general anaesthetic. Post-operatively, a patient may have a bubble of gas in the eye, and therefore they're required to sit or lie in a particular position so that we can position the bubble of gas over, for example, the hole in the retina to close it temporarily and allow the freezing treatment or the laser treatment to take effect and seal the hole permanently.